Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 hacks to reduce customer effort inside your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a tile cleaner, and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. 5 easy ways to reduce customer effort. Every successful business owner sees the importance in improving their customer experience, and there are a few things you can do to effectively improve your customer's experience too without a large resource commitment. Making small changes to reduce customer effort can improve customer loyalty and satisfaction and can help your company turn new customers into regular ones. Why customer effort matters? Simply because your customers hate when you make them work hard for something that should be easy. Customer expectations are changing quickly. Your customers expect you to understand what they need and expect from your floor cleaning company. Your marketing promises your service can offer something, and your customers expect you to deliver on those promises. The more efficient, the better. If there are issues, they expect quick and effective support from your business. Reducing customer effort may be the single best way you can help your business grow and expand. Just to kind of give you a few more insights into this, if you look at all the biggest multi-billion-dollar businesses in the world, that's all they've done. They haven't invented anything new. They've simply figured out how to reduce the amount of customer effort that's involved for a customer to take a next step with that business, with that industry. They've cracked the code on that. They've minimized the amount of effort involved for the customer, and in doing so, they've absolutely dominated the market, crushed their competitors, and have made billions of dollars in the process. Look at Netflix. They put Blockbuster out of business. With Blockbuster, previously, you had to drive to the store, look at thousands of DVDs, decide which one you wanted to rent out, take it to the front desk, pay the money, drive home in the car, watch the DVD. Once you've watched it, you then got to drive all the way back to take it back. And it's a lot of steps. It's a massive amount of effort. And then Netflix comes along, and now you can just press a button on your remote control and you have access to literally thousands of pieces of home entertainment. You don't have to drive anywhere to go and rent something. You don't have to drive anywhere to bring it back. It's instant. They literally reduce the amount of customer effort involved to zero. Look at Uber. Again, it's a taxi company. Taxis are nothing new. It's not a new invention. All they did was reduce the amount of effort involved when it comes to booking a taxi. That's how they dominated the market. And whereas previously you had to stand on the street and hail down a taxi, or you had to call some call center, go on hold, give all your details, speak to a human being, and you had to have cash in your pocket to pay for it as well. Now you can press a button on your cell phone and instantly, without even the need to have any money in your pocket, a car pulls up outside your door. Look at Amazon, the everything store. Retail stores are nothing new. E-commerce is nothing new. But with their one-click purchase and their super fast delivery service, they made it easier than ever for someone to buy something online. And in doing so, Jeff Bezos is one of the, if not the most richest man on the planet. So you can see how reducing customer effort can have such a massive impact on you and your business. And effectively, if you can figure out how to reduce the amount of customer effort in your business, you will effectively dominate your market, dominate your industry in your area, and crush all your competition. So it's definitely worth some thought and all the rest of it. So let's have a look now at 5 easy ways, my advice on how to reduce the amount of customer effort. Number 1, make the booking process as fast and efficient as possible. The booking and inquiry process should be super fast and efficient. Nowadays, customers don't want to waste time on complicated booking forms or long phone calls. Bear in mind that there might be a different inquiry and booking preferences among various age groups of customers. If booking via a chatbot is the way to go for younger clients, an old school phone call booking might be the preference of the older generation. Therefore, it's very important to provide a choice of booking options from phone call format to the latest booking app. That will undoubtedly ensure a wider range of clientele preferring your services over others. Number 2, make your contact info visible and human help easy to reach. Remember the last time you were stuck in an endless phone menu when trying to call support, or were stuck talking to a chatbot and couldn't get the help you needed? To avoid this frustration and decrease customer effort, find ways to make it easier for customers to get human help when needed. In a world where everything is becoming automated, simply making it easy to get a human on the phone or on chat can make your company stand out from the crowd. Number 3, save your customers time by offering booking next carpet cleaning service straight after the latest booking. Overall, the majority of us like routine. It gives us a sense of security and order, and that applies to booking services as well. By offering a happy customer to book their next floor cleaning service at the end of their current cleaning job, you will immediately eliminate the customer's need to spend time booking the next floor cleaning job. What more, once the booking is in the calendar, customers will be more likely to plan their day around the pre-booked floor cleaning job rather than cancelling or rescheduling it. And that is an amazing way to fill up your calendar with jobs in advance. Number 4, make changes easy. Make your booking procedures and policies easy for the customers to understand. Strike a balance between maintaining practices your customers know and trust and introducing improvements and technologies into your business. Even if you make small changes, be it new seasonal offers or a cancellation policy amendment, you should always inform your customers. Explain to them how it affects them. If there are big changes to the system, then ask your regular and most valued customers to provide feedback and find out if the new booking procedures or policy is clear and easy for them to understand the news. Establish whether it was a welcome change or not. And number 5, and the last one on the list, we all know that reviews rule in any business sphere. Great positive reviews are like golden nuggets that promote businesses around the world. So make it easy for customers to leave a review. Quite often, most loyal and happy customers are not that eager to leave a review or fulfill the survey form. The main reason for this is a shortage of time and other life priorities. One of the ways to reduce the time and customer effort on leaving the review is to have, for example, maybe an iPad or a tablet with you and have the review form open and ready for when you are servicing their home. If the customer is happy with the results, and then they most likely won't mind to leave a great review that doesn't require him or her to go onto a certain site, find your business and go through multiple pages. If ultimately you take all of those steps away, you hand them a tablet, you remove all of that effort, and it makes it very easy for them to leave you a review. If you're after customer feedback, you can also give away a printout with the questions. Just make sure that there shouldn't be more than 5 questions in your survey, as it might come across as too time-consuming a task for them. Final thoughts. Interactions with service-based businesses that require more effort can lead to frustration, reduced satisfaction, and loss of most loyal customers. Statistically, only 4% of customers intend to rebook the service following high-effort experiences versus 94% of customers with low-effort interactions. That's why certain steps floor cleaning companies should take to reduce customer effort and customer satisfaction and loyalty, making booking and inquiry process faster and efficient, adding human touch to communication, clarifying the changes taking place in company in advance, or requesting a quick review of your service. All these are great ways of reducing customer effort to a minimum, boosting advanced bookings, and turning new customers into regular ones. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program, head down to the description below where you'll find all the details to schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Cheers.